Hi, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to go over some items with you in our HEA 110 class. First of all, remember chapter 5 which covers intimate relationships and communication. The quizzes and the written assignments are due tonight, as you can see here, September 27th at 11:59 p.m. Moving forward, this coming week, we will be going over chapter 17. So we are going to jump ahead from chapter 5 to chapter 17 this week, and we are going to look at personal safety. And in that personal safety chapter, we will identify the most common unintentional injuries and strategies for preventing them. We are going to discuss violence and intentional injuries and how to protect yourself from them. And you're going to list strategies for helping others in an emergency situation. Um, Also, I would like to say that last week's written assignments that I graded, everybody did a much better job with adding content to each question, and the grammar and the punctuation was much better. So keep up the good work there. If you have any questions in the class or any concerns, please reach out to me via email and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a great week and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.